Here we'll show you how to sign into Sirvoy with a passkey. A passkey lets you skip your password and your verification code. It's faster and it's also safer. Let's set it up. It only takes a minute. To get started, sign into Sirvoy as usual. In the menu on the left, scroll down and click User Profile. On this page, find the box called Passkeys and click Create Passkey. By the way, Sirvoy may ask you to verify it's really you before opening this page. That's normal. Just follow the steps on screen. Now click Create Passkey. Your browser will open a small window and ask you to choose a method, and you can choose different options. But in my case, I'll choose Google Chrome's default option and click Continue. This next step is the same thing you do when you unlock your device. Touch the fingerprint sensor, use Face ID, or type your PIN. I'll go ahead and use my fingerprint now. And that's it. Your passkey is now ready and you can see it here in the list, saved on this device. No more verification codes. If you have any questions, our support team's always happy to help.